Well, they quit walking though. They're resting, I guess, huh? Resting. Who's next? Let's go see the... What's next? Up here? Looks like a barn. What's over there? Bird show? Let's go see the bird. Over there, in that guy's man, on the man's arm. Look, is it a hawk? Straight. This way.
Yeah, and it's also called altruism. Altruism is when the one bird of a particular species is species altruism. So one bird will protect the whole group of crows, even though they're not an actual whole flock and they're not working together to raise young. But by protecting one nest, you're protecting all of the surrounding nests. So even though they're bringing more attention to themselves, so that red-tailed hawk can turn around and go after them by mobbing them, they're taking that on in order to protect their young. So they're kind of taking that risk. They're burdening themselves to protect their babies. All right, and a lot of birds will do that. Even with these guys in the wild, even though they're not from around here, you will get birds that'll be mobbing hawks in order to protect their nests. All right, so we've talked about our Harris hawk. Let's bring out our another bird. This bird is another game changer. We're totally changing it up on here. We definitely know what these are, guys, right? Do we know what these guys are? Yeah, they're chickens. You guys can say it louder, be enthusiastic. Come on, this is fun. All right, so we got our chickens here. So these are Catherine and Elizabeth. Does anybody know what kind of chickens these are? We have some chicken enthusiasts. People raise these, no? They're little ones, but that's actually a great clue because these guys are called bantams. Yes, they're Old English game bantams. And bantam means miniature. So bantams are mini of a real, like, well, not real, but large type of chicken. So these are a mini version of Old English game chickens, so they're Old English game bantams. So these are both chickens, and you'll notice what they're doing. They're scratching the ground to try to find something to eat. Do we think we know what chickens eat?
Bugs?
Grain and bugs, yes, they are omnivores. So they're not only eating insects, they'll eat whatever stray meat sometimes they'll find laying around if they do find something, but they'll also eat seeds and grass and things like that. So they're kind of just little garbage cans. They're omnivores, they're eating everything. Now, people breed bantams and chickens in general like they do dogs. So I told you that bantams are miniatures. So just like you'd have a teacup Yorkie at home, everyone loves that phrase, teacup Yorkie, you know, I have a teacup this, I have a teacup that. But these guys are bred just like that. So the bantams are miniatures of bigger chickens, and often these chickens are used for showing because, I mean, they're very small, right? So how big do you think their eggs really are? Their eggs, yeah, exactly, they're really, really small. Definitely not enough to make your omelet in the morning.